In this video, we define the abstract syntax of our entity relationship DSL, forming the basis for the visual syntax introduced in the next section. Once you registered on app.jjodel.io, without forgetting to confirm your email, you can log into your Jjodel workspace. Create a new Jjodel project by clicking on the green button. Now that we have an empty project, let's create a named element abstract metaclass with a name string attribute. Then, let's add two metaclasses called entity and attribute. Because attributes are contained in entities, we create a composition from entity to attribute called owned attribute. The composition has 0 to many multiplicity. Active the snap to grid feature for a better layout. Now, we can create a model conforming to our metamodel. Let's instantiate an entity called person. And now let's create 3 attributes for person: name, surname, and email. As we can see, attributes do not have any typing information. Then, we have to extend our metamodel. Let's introduce an enumerator called type. It will extend the metamodel primitive types. Call the literals integer, string, and boolean. Add a type feature to the attribute metaclass and type it after the new type enumerator. Let's switch to the model. Because the attribute type is mandatory, a validation message pops up. Set the type for each attribute element. Create a new entity called role. And add the attribute instances called id and name. Let's switch to the metamodel to add the relation metaclass. Please note, a known bug does not allow to show both right and left at the same time. Relation extends named element. By double-clicking on the edge points are created to better route the edge. Two references, left and right, targeting entity are added. Please note, a known bug does not allow to show both right and left at the same time. Create a new enumeratory for the cardinality of relations. Add a cardinality attribute to relation typer after the cardinality enumerator. Let's go back to the model. Create a new relation called has. This is a one-to-many relation connecting person to role. We've reached the end of the first part of the tutorial. Throughout this section, we alternated between metamodel and model design. Each time the metamodel changed, both the editor and its models adapted automatically. This seamless metamodel round-tripping is enabled by Jjodel's reflective architecture and its live co-evolution capabilities.